Hey, welcome back to the channel. If your Mac is feeling slow, running out of storage, or cluttered with junk files, today's deal is going to be a game changer. We're looking at BuhoCleaner for Mac Family Plan, available right now as a lifetime subscription for just $14. So what exactly is BuhoCleaner? It's a lightweight yet powerful Mac cleanup utility designed to boost performance and free up disk space. With just a few clicks, you can wipe out junk files, uninstall unused apps, find duplicates, manage startup items, and even monitor your system in real time. The best part? Unlike expensive alternatives, this deal is a one-time payment, no monthly fees. Visual Disk Analyzer. Quickly see which folders and files are taking up space and delete what you don't need. One-tap cache cleanup. Instantly clear out browser, system, and app junk that slows down your Mac. Smart App Uninstaller. Dragging apps to the trash leaves leftovers. BuhoCleaner wipes them out completely. Large and duplicate file finder. Free up gigabytes of space by removing unnecessary duplicates. File shredder. Permanently delete sensitive files so they can't be recovered. Startup Manager. Stop unnecessary apps from launching when your Mac boots up. Spotlight Rebuilder. If Spotlight Search isn't working properly, you can rebuild its index in one click. System Monitor Menu. Keep an eye on CPU, RAM, internet speed, and free up memory instantly with a quick tap. And yes, it's fully optimized for macOS Ventura and runs super fast on Apple M1 and M2 Macs. Now, here's the deal. The family plan covers 3 Macs for life at just $14. Or if you're running a small business or have multiple devices, you can grab the business plan for 10 Macs at only $24. Normally, this costs up to $72, so you're saving more than 65%. BuhoCleaner is highly rated, 5 stars on MacUpdate and Product Hunt. Verified buyers say their Macs run faster, storage feels fresh, and it's one of the best value deals compared to pricey tools like CleanMyMac. If you're ready to clean up your Mac and give it a performance boost, check out the BuhoCleaner Family Plan Lifetime Deal while it's still available. I'll leave the link down below in the description. Don't wait too long. These stacked social deals tend to sell out fast. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more lifetime deal reviews.